Welcome to the Weekly Warrior. It's October 11th, and I'm Kata from Burger Promotions. We've got some interesting stories for you today, and I hope you enjoy the show. So, homecoming's coming up. Do you have a date? Because I got one. This is the section on homecoming.
How lucky are we? It's been a hell of a week. We're all grown now.
I'm not the kind to fall for a guy who flashes a smile. Don't usually swoon, but I'm over the moon. He was just too cool for school. And now I'm falling for you, falling for you. I know I shouldn't, but
Long live cowgirls, never gonna settle on down, girls. Leave you in a lonely ghost town, world where the sun don't rise. Rodeo 419, love you like a Mustang. One hand on them giddy up reins, holding your heart with some good aim.
twin, where have you been? Nobody knows me like you do. Nobody gon' love me quite like you. Can't even deny. Feel it coming in the air.
Yeah.
Hear the screams from everywhere.
Yeah.
I'm addicted to the thrill.
I'm ready.
It's a dangerous
Side.
love affair.
Come on.
Can't be scared when it goes down.
Catalina, get back here. It's sports. In sports, you run. Here's a sports segment.
Shoo! Shoo! Shoo!
Hi, I'm Izzy with your Steinbrenner Sports. Most of our sports games last week were canceled due to the major hurricane that happened in Tampa. But we were able to host our homecoming game on October 4th. The Steinbrenner Warriors faced the Alonzo Ravens in a really tough match, and unfortunately, we lost. But our school spirit was all the way up. So, here's some footage of our football game and our homecoming dance where we really showed that school spirit.
Can't see it, damn thing, fake walk. Can't see it, damn thing, fake walk. Yeah, they like Steve, they can't see me. They wanna beat me. I'm in that guinea, that's a king. Wanna feed you, it ain't need me. She won't please me, cause she need me. Her like me, they like mine. Her like me, they like mine. Her like me.
The weather's so nice today. It might start raining in 5 minutes because Florida's weather is very bipolar. Anyways, here's Gio with the weather.
Hello everyone and welcome to Weather with Gio. I am Gio, your host, and I will be bringing you the weather for next week. So, going back in time a little bit, a couple weeks ago, some pretty underground knowledge. There was this hurricane named Milton, and it was kinda bad. Millions were left without power for several days. Myself, I was left without power until like Sunday. So pretty bad. And this was starting until like Thursday. So Thursday to Sunday, couple days, really bad. And having no power in Florida really sucks. No AC, everything's hot, everything's horrible. It was bad. Around the coastal regions, lots of water, because you know, we're like a peninsula surrounded by water. That water goes up, and lots of damages. Very unfortunate. Now, these bigger storms, Hurricane Milton apparently was one of the biggest storms the Earth can muster up. And Milton walked on over straight through the middle of Florida in very much our area, Tampa area. And the reason for these bigger storms is climate change. The warmer waters makes bigger storms, more stuff goes up into the air, it goes swirly, and it gets really bad really fast. Hurricane Milton had over 100-mile-per-hour winds with 100-mile-per-hour gusts, and you know, that sends things flying. I had most of my fence knocked down, and that's not going to be fun to get back up. However, it's looking bright in the future. In the next week, from October 25th to November 1st, we've got lows in mid-60s, so mornings and evenings, nice and cool. However, sadly, Florida being as it is, we have highs in the upper 80s, so midday, it's gonna be horrible as always. You hate to hear it. Hopefully the weather starts going down in November, December, but we might have a desert Christmas. Who knows? But good to hear. Halloween night, there will be no risk of rain, so you're all good to go. Before I leave you guys, I've got to mention there's this brand new game that's out by my friend Zachary DeDominic. I had a little bit of art in there. I highly recommend you check it out. It's called The MacGuffin. It's on itch.io, and it is a top-down roguelike shooter. You can like shoot stuff. That kind of makes sense. You can shoot stuff, you can get items, you can get real buff, you can become the bullet hell. It's a wonderful game. I have found myself accidentally spending hours playing it, and I didn't even realize that much time passed. But please give it a look, check it out. It's great. Now, thank you for watching my segment, and I will see you in the next one.
Well,
Guess it has to be like this.
this will decide it once and for all.
It's my granola bar and you know it.
I can't do this.
Neither can I.
We'll split the granola bar, pal.
Gada 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 oh, I've been married a long time ago. Where do you come from? What year to go? What do you come from? Bacalado.
Hey, I was invisible! Cool!
I don't feel so good.